BBLG is showing an immense amount of strength within a longer term bearish trend. Up as you can see, 154%. This is the pre-market session of Friday, the 27th of June. The news is that the company has filed a patent application for NELL-1 protein. Okay, and then yesterday it indicated that it has gained Nasdaq compliance for trading above $1 for 10 straight days, 10 straight trading sessions. So that's what's behind the trend we are looking at right now. This underlying trend. It's 200-day moving average, sloping bearishly lower. I think you could say it's bearish to neutral to bearish. Okay, so but this is the daily chart. It's not active at the moment. So we'll come to the 4 hour chart. This is what we're looking at right now. Higher prices are expected to keep playing out up till midday in today's trading session. After that, we might see a pullback. Okay, we have 9 point. This is extrapolation of its 3 period moving average. Yeah, so high prices are projected to remain in place up till midday in this trading session. That may not be the case. It may be something totally different. So ultimately, the algos are just suggesting that there might be a pullback. There might be a contraction of this expansion that has just played out now. Down projection of 5.1 is what we have. There isn't anything upwards. Let's have a look at the price pressure momentum indicators. These measure the angle of attacks of the 10 and the various moving averages. In this case, it's the 10 and 21 period moving averages. So we have everything is strongly bullish. However, we have a negative first derivative for price pressure for this one for the 10 period moving average. So indicating that weakness might set in at some point. Okay. So what do we have next? We have the 3 hour charts. Let's see. We have 5.1 downward projection. It won't be out of place to expect a downward projection to occur. Okay, nothing. Let's have a look at the 2 hour chart. On the 2 hour chart, what do we have? We have 5.1 as well, downward projection. On the 1 hour chart, what do we have? We have same 5.1 as well. Okay, so let's jump to the 30-minute chart. Let's see what we have. We have 3.98 downward projection, nothing to the upside. Let's look at the 45 minutes. 5.86, it's also a downward projection. 10-minute chart, 3.67, downward projection as well. $7, also a downward projection. $7 on the 3-minute chart as well, downward projection. 1-minute chart, yeah, 10.01. What do we have? Yeah, 10.01. Okay, it's still a downward projection. So yeah, that's what's going on. BBLG, the company has filed a patent and has regained Nasdaq compliance. Let's see how active things are here. Okay, that liquid as such. Okay, we haven't. Yeah, the gain. I think it has given up some of the gains it ran up. We haven't seen any other thing, any other upper projection, anything really radical. We could just have a look at the previous history. Nothing to the upside that it has ever printed before. We could still. There might be, but but let's have a look at the daily chart and see. Okay, here we could still reference some of these rejections. Here we have 15.18. Um, okay, 15.09. So these are the sort of things, it can they're not in play at the moment. These projections are not in play at the moment, but they can arise. They can become resistances in the future. And as the stock is, let's see now, you may have printed an intraday high 11.72. So let's reference that to what we have here, 11.72. 11.72. Nothing. We have 12.30, 11.72. So yeah, you could say we have 11.94 here. You could say that it was coming up to such a level and yeah, met the resistance early. And then 11.94 will be somewhere. Where is it again? Somewhere around here. Somewhere around here. So yeah, a couple of resistances around there, cluster of resistances there, if you like. Okay, 11.92. Then if it's able to retest that, then we'll be looking at 13.89, 15.09. But no guarantee that that will be the case. Yeah, we saw, what did we see? 154%. Yeah, that's really a lot as well. It's not out of place to see it pulling back from those levels. So I think most of the project down projections we saw was we have here 6.55, 7.4, 7.93. We also saw $5 or thereabout. So you could replay this and find what those projections are. Okay, so just be careful out there, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.